Reach for the sky, all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Bring it all the way down. Bend the knees, ground through the feet. Inhale, reach it all the way up. Good. Exhale, float it all the way down. Inhale, reach all the way up. You got this. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Step the feet wide once again. This time moving into a warrior two. Turn the right toes out, turn the left toes in. A little lower, get a little lower. Then inhale, extend the arms out, straighten the legs, star pose. Take up space. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Exhale, press the palms down just halfway so your hands and wrists are in line with your shoulders. Arm circles forward and back. Reverse it. And forward and back. Now keep it going. This time, bend your knees, forward arm circles, knees bent. And back. Forward, spine is straight, nice and tall. And back. Last time, you got this. Don't give up. Arm circles forward. Let them get a little bit bigger here. And back. Star pose, straighten everything. Exhale, hands to heart. Really nice. We're gonna toe heel, toe heel, toe heel the feet in so they're hip width apart. Beautiful. Inhale.